AVS is an aftermarket car and truck parts manufacturer. We design, build, production parts in-house and also have several parts manufactured overseas. We also have a pretty good sized warehouse full of other products that we distribute for other top companies in the automotive industry. But aside from manufacturing, we have a full functioning garage where we do installs. We also have a big advantage over most shops by having an arsenal of tooling on premises. These high-end tools, coupled with the crazy ideas that our team has, make for some pretty trick installs and parts. We also install audio. But if you're wanting audio, you must be doing a full air ride install in order for us to do your audio. Now, the number one thing that we do here in the garage of AVS is air suspension. Everyone wants air ride. So we don't limit ourselves to just one market segment. We cater to all of them, and we offer items that may appeal to each customer's wants and needs. When we finish a car and pop that trunk, it's gonna make your jaw drop.